No demand. There's no demand, you guys. I found it. I found the graveyard. I found where they're hiding all the cars that they cannot sell. I'm Brian. Welcome to my very noisy Tesla weekend. I'm out on the side of the road here because I found something very interesting. A source in Michigan found thousands and thousands of Ford Broncos baking in the hot summer sun. But fret not, these were also baking in the spring and in the winter. These 3 lots had been more or less full since October. Now, I don't know if these cars are being rotated or if they're just here for the long haul, but they're not missing parts. They're parked. They're waiting. The production line for the Ford Bronco moves faster than demand. That's an unusual problem. There was a video I saw, there was a Twitter I saw, a tweet from one of the usual Tesla haters, the clowns, where he showed a picture of a delivery center in Germany and said, see, look at all these Model 3s, there's no demand. I said, Model 3s? They don't even make those in Germany. Those were shipped in from China, and they were shipped in 3 weeks before. Do you need me to move? How's it going? Oh, no, I'm looking at all the Broncos.
That's what all the Broncos.
Oh, yeah, I'm looking at the cars.
Over there.
Yeah, all the time.
No chips.
Is that what you think it is?
Yeah, that's what they said. No chips.
No chips. Because they've been there for ages.
No, they switch every now and then.
They switch they're constantly rolling in, rolling out.
Yep. No,
Thank you.
No chips.
Okay.
China.
Okay. So that's an interesting take. He's saying that they do rotate through as chips are available. We are 2 years out from the chip crunch, wouldn't you say? So, I mean, what are you doing? Silicone comes in wafers, guys. Buy more. I don't know. Change your chips during the crunch. Tesla changed their chips 19 times to get better materials, to get more materials, to get stuff they actually could use. And other legacy companies have to rely on providers who can't necessarily move as quickly. If they didn't have the chip, Tesla would say, what do you got? Great, ship it, and we'll have the firmware written in-house, as we do, before they even arrive. And so what we've got with other companies is they can't necessarily do it. So this gentleman had told us, passing by, that they do rotate. So that's something, I suppose. Could they sell them? It seems like there's a lot of interest in this car. Maybe you can tell me in the comments, does your dealer have any? Are they on the lots? And but on the Germany comment saying, oh, look at all these Model 3s, they can't sell them. When I said Model 3s are not made in Berlin. Model Ys are made in Berlin. If they're excess Model 3s, those came over on a boat. This is a delivery center, they're being delivered. And so I went ahead and found the video from 3 weeks earlier of them being brought to the port of Shanghai for loading. That's not a ton of cars sitting around waiting, but these are absolutely an absolute ton of Broncos, thousands and thousands here, at least for a short time. It's pretty interesting. I can't really get you better footage. I can get a little closer. There is no trespassing, but that's all right. I will not be trespassing. I'm just looking from the street with my eyeballs and a camera. No demand or no supply. What did I miss? What did I misunderstand? Leave it all in them comments. Thanks to my patrons, who are the reason I'm able to actually do this stuff. And stay tuned, stay juicy, and I can't wait to hear from you clever robots if I don't get hit by traffic on the way back to the car. So what we're looking at is we are right here, and that's where I was just shooting. I'm right there. And this entire lot is full. And this lot is full as well. And there's a third lot at another location.
Yeah, but that's all of this plant.
That's all at this location. But that is, somebody can go through in the video and try and estimate how many it is. And that's just one area for one model at the old Ypsilanti plant, the former Ford Ypsilanti plant. You can see in the background there, it's blue. And yeah, fascinating. So we did manage to find the third lot. But Again, getting to it is a little bit of a challenge. And I do see what looks like security, but I'm on the other side of the fence. So hopefully they won't give us too hard of a time, because we're just having fun. Out for a walk, that's all. Broncos. Broncos as far as the eye can see. And we'll look at the map in a minute here. But I'm on this side of the fence. And this time I brought with me a little bit of altitude so that we could get a better idea of just how many there are. It's not too many, I imagine. Just maybe another 1,000 or two. Pretty fun. And yeah, they go on as far as the eye can see. It's probably a half mile down by maybe a quarter mile wide. But we can check it on the map and see from there. But the Broncos are having fun. They're having fun. They're hanging out. They're with their people. Not the best situation if you're a car company looking to move some units. Why aren't they sold? Why can't you get chips 2 years after the chip shortage? Why haven't you pivoted to something that's actually in production and available? Who's buying them all if not you? And do you need to pay an extra $6? Do you need to pay an extra $20? Because these are $5 chips, or they used to be. Maybe those ones are no longer available. But if it's another $100 to get the cars out the door, if you've got buyers, I feel like you do it. They're not as nimble as Tesla when it comes to the software, but they do still have in-house capacity to do the writing on those things. And I feel like they'd be wise to do it. So we'll pop in here and take a look at the map. So we're looking at this. We're at Yost Road in Belleville. There's about 30 rows here, more than 30 rows here, double rows of more than 15 and quite a bit more. Got about 20 cars to the run, and double check that in post. Get a pretty good count in post. Maybe Desi Doolin will pop in and do some math for me. Right now it's much fuller than this. It looks completely full. And this is lot number 3 of all the Broncos. All the Broncos hanging out, having a Bronco party. This is where the wild stallions run, I suppose.